My name is Siti Nur Adning binti Muhammad Wang. My metric number is 281743. I'm going to present about background for our project. For this project, we built the application which is electricity billing system. The purpose of the application was to calculate and display electricity charges for domestic users. Our application divided into 5 operations, which is register, display bill, search, edit, and list. For the part of register, we provide users to add a new customer with his or her details like customer name, account number, home address, current meter reading in kilowatt hour, and previous meter reading in kilowatt hour. Next, for the part of display bill, it will display the electricity bill of a particular customer based on the account number, and all the information that must be displayed in the bill are the customer name, account number, address, current and previous meter reading with the total units of electricity consumed in kilowatt hour. It also contains the amount of charge for each block of units consumed, the total amount of electricity charge before tax, the total amount of electricity charge after tax that the customer must pay, which is the service tax amount is 6%. Besides, for the part of search, we provide users to find a particular customer based on the account number, and if found, it will display all the details of the customer. Otherwise, if not found, it will display an appropriate message, no customer found with this account number. After that, for the part of edit, the users can modify and change any of customer details that he or she wants, except for the account number. At last, for the part of list, it will display all customers' information, but for each customer, it will display only the account number, name, and total units of electricity consumed. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So for now, I'm going to show you how to add new customer. So first, we run this, and then okay. So for add new customer, we must to press 1. So we press 1 and enter. Okay, we must put the name. Okay, for the name, I put Arina. Okay, and then we must enter the account number. Okay, for the account number, there must be 10 digit of account number. If we put less than 10 digit, it will be error. So let's say we put less than 10 digit and then we enter. Okay, so we will say that account number must be in 10 digit. So we put the real account number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then we enter. Okay, after we enter the account number, we must enter the home address. Home address. Okay, so for the home address, I put okay, so this is the home address, and then enter the current meter. So for current meter, we put 650. Okay, enter the previous meter. For the previous meter, the value must not greater than the current meter. Let's say we put 700, and then enter. So they say the previous meter reading cannot be greater than current meter reading. So we must enter again the previous meter. So let's say 400. Okay, so Arina was successful added. So that's how we want to enter the new customer. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, so next, I will show you how to edit the customer details. So for editing, we press 2, and then will come out to enter the account number of customer that we want to edit. So since we have added the Arina and the account number is 12345678990, so by then when we want to edit, we enter the account number. Okay, then they will ask whether you want to change the name, the address, the current meter, the previous meter, or actually want to go back to the original details. So let's say that we want to change the current meter. So we enter 3. So the current meter, let's say we change it into 1000. Okay, and then it asks again whether we want to change. So let's say we change the previous meter, press 4, and then the previous meter, let's say that it's actually around 550. Okay, then we press 5, and then it automatically go back to the beginning of the output, which is welcome to ABC Electricity Billing System. Next, I will show you on how we actually display the customer bill. So let's press 3, and then enter the account number. And then will come out the name, customer's name, Arina, account number 12345678990. The address is number 453 Lorong Intana Bamidai 3, and the current meter that we actually edited is 1000, and the previous meter reading, which is 550. So the bill will come out, it calculates from the first 200 to next 100, and then calculate to next 150. So the total amount that needs to be paid is actually 163 ringgit and 66 cents. So next I will show you on how to search for the customer. So let's press 4, and then just enter the account number, and it will come out the account number by the name, the account number, the address, and the address. And next is let's see the list of the customers. Oh wait, before we see the list of customers, let's add another customer so that we can see the list actually for all the customers. So let's add a new customer. Let's say the name is Ali, and the account number is 124561230, and the home address actually say Kuala Lumpur, and the current meter reading is maybe 1200, and the previous meter reading is maybe 100. So the Ali was successfully added, and then let's see the list of all the customers by pressing number 5. So there you have it. First is Arina and the account number and by the amount total amount that is paid. And next is Ali and his account number and the total that needs to be paid. So to exit the billing system, just press 6, and it's all done. Thank you.